Hey friends, what's up? Welcome to today's video. So before we get into this, I just want to say if you guys can hear any background noise, Nay is cleaning and it has music going, so I apologize for that, but this is just going to be a quick review. So today, you guys, I am going to be reviewing the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Stunner Lip Paint. This is the new shade Undefeated, which is a very pretty purple. And we're also going to be using the Killawatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter Duo. And this is Minty Mojito and Sandcastle. So you guys can see I already did my face, and I use the Anastasia Riviera palette for my eyes today. I love that palette. Alright, so this is what the dual highlights look like. They are very pretty. So of course I'm going to be using the Minty Mojito, and I'm going to be applying that as my highlight shade today. Look how pretty that is. I love this, you guys. And Rihanna's highlights are so pigmented. I just love them. Alright, so next we are going in with the lip paint. Very, very pretty purple shade. Super excited because I don't own any other of her lip paints, and this is the first time trying it out, and I'm just feeling real spring, real summer.
I missed your call, I finally think I'm fine with that. I know it hurts when love bites back, but it's your fault, I wish you'd just accept that. I got a better place to be, where the only focus...
Alright you guys, I am loving this lip color. And it's already starting to dry down, but it's really comfortable. It doesn't feel like I have anything on my lips. It goes on so super smooth, and I just want you guys to see this applicator because it's very unique. But what I like about it is I feel like you can get a really nice, precise, application. Alright, guys, so it does seem like it takes a second to dry down, and I'm not even convinced that it's all the way dry, but we're still going to do the kiss test. Alright, so I do have a little bit on the back of my hand, but like I said, I don't think it's all the way dry yet, but I mean, that's really like nothing. So it's going to dry completely down. It is a matte liquid lipstick, and I believe it's supposed to be transfer proof. So you guys, right now it is 10:41. And I am going to wear this look all day, and I will definitely do at least one check-in, if not two, so you guys can see how the lipstick and the highlight and all that jazz has worn throughout the day. So I'll see you guys in a few hours. Hey you guys, so I'm back. It is about 7:30. It's pretty early for me to be taking my makeup off, but I've been cleaning for the past couple of hours. I am tired. I am starting to get a headache, and I'm ready to just take a shower, wash my face, and chill out for the night. So, just wanted you guys to see that this is the lipstick after about 7.5 hours of wear. So it's not too bad. It did transfer a little bit, but nothing crazy. I had tomatoes with veggie dip for lunch, and I had some pizza rolls for dinner. So unhealthy. I had a bottle of water, a Red Bull, and a half a glass of wine. So not too bad. Pretty good. The highlight still on, still very intense. I'm looking a little bit oily, but that's just because I was sweating and cleaning and all that crazy stuff. So you guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed my review on the Fenty liquid lipstick. If you guys did, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit your bell notification so you're not missing out on any more videos. And you guys, I love you so much. Don't forget to put a smile on your face because it is truly the best makeup you can wear. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
This is me.